Hey there, YouTube. Thanks for stopping by the channel and thanks for clicking play today. Got a great video for you today. I finally received in the mail my custom red stitched leather floor mats from extremeonlinestore.com. These things look awesome. I can't wait to get them into the car. I saw them on a friend of mine who had a 2020 GT500. Absolutely loved them and went and got myself a set, and I'm going to put them in the car today so you guys can see how they look. It's going to be a nice touch. Where do you guys see the quality of these things? They look amazing. So before I get these into the car today, I really just want you guys to kind of look at the quality here of the actual leather, the red stitching. Here, this one obviously for the driver's side has the reinforcement for where your foot will sit, but just kind of looking at the quality of these things overall. These are made really, really well, and they are going to add an extra layer of that red stitching for my red interior and provide additional protection for my floor. All right, so obviously there's no real quote unquote install with this, but they are side specific. So I hope this comes across as well on video as it looks in person. I mean, it looks absolutely awesome. This is going to add an extra layer of protection, make it much easier to clean, and bring that red stitching from the rest of my interior into the actual scheme. Wow, those look absolutely amazing. You guys got to get a set of these. I got them from extremeonlinestore.com. They are the custom with a K, K-U-S-T-O-M, custom stitched floor mats. All right, so passenger side install exactly the same way. You just lay them in there over top of the flooring. It actually, I really like how on the sides over here, it comes up and it's angled up to help protect the plastic trim in the interior. And then as well here on this side to protect the rest of that. But man, does that bring in the red stitching, as you can see here, into the rest of the interior. That is one heck of an addition to this car. I am in love with these floor mats. All right, so one more shot of the interior here, just so you guys can kind of see how it ties everything together, in my opinion, and also brings just another level of protection for the interior here. I love these mats. Man, the stitching matches perfectly with the factory stitching. You guys have got to get a set of these if you have a car that has stitching and colored in your interior of your C8. Go over to extremeonlinestore.com. Go ahead, order yourself some of these. You will not be disappointed. This is one of my favorite things I've done so far to the interior of this car. I can't tell you how good this looks in person. This is absolutely amazing. All right, YouTube, that's it for today. We just finished putting in our custom interior floor mats that are red stitched. They're leather floor mats into the interior of our C8 Z06 here. And I'm telling you, if you have blue interior, yellow interior, anything, and you have the stitching, you have got to get a set of these. It really pulls the stitching out of the rest of the car and really makes it pop. This is probably one of my favorite interior things I've done to the car so far, and it's going to provide me additional protection on both the sides and the floor mat. They're very thick leather. It's very durable. This is going to be great. I cannot wait to get this thing to Caffeine and Octane and show these small details like this that are going to make this thing pop. Go over to extremeonlinestore.com. Get yourself a set for your C8, whether it be a hardtop, a convertible, it be a Z06, E-Ray, Stingray. Go over and get yourself now. You are not going to be disappointed. This is one of my favorite things I've done so far. Thanks for joining us today. Like, share, and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.